Hi guys, it's Sandy, and in today's video we're doing a design based on Disney's Frozen for the summertime. Minnie has a gorgeous design featuring both Anna and sunflowers for you.
Hello, it's Minnie. Before we start, please subscribe to CutePolish for new nail art videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Let's start with base coat to protect your natural nails. Then apply one coat of sheer white nail polish. On my thumb, I'm using a pastel yellow polish. I'm going to apply the skin protector and the round nail vinyl close to the cuticle. Now they are ready for a gradient effect. Apply a light blue polish over the nail vinyl using a piece of makeup sponge. Apply a darker color from the middle to the tip. Add a small amount of glitter polish onto the tip. Remove the vinyl and skin protector. For the gradient on my thumb, I'm using a bright green and a darker green. Apply top coat to smooth out the surface. I'm going to hand paint the sunflower, which is inspired by one of Anna's dresses. Draw a long triangle stem with a dark aqua acrylic paint. Add some leaves. Just above the stem, draw the middle part of the flower. Draw some dots starting from the top and bottom, both sides between these dots, and fill the gaps. To draw the flower petals, push down the paintbrush and drag it outwards. Make it a little bit wider for a more realistic look. Add orange dots over the yellow dots. Decorate the half moon with yellow dots to make it stand out. Paint the design on the leaves to complete. Next, I'm going to prepare a decal for Elsa using a sandwich bag. Place your drawing or a printed design. Apply top coat over the design and allow it to dry. For Anna, I'm going to hand paint directly onto the nail. The drawing process for both techniques are exactly the same, so I'll show them side by side. Draw the outline with brown acrylic paint. To create the skin color, mix white, yellow, red and brown. Apply a few layers to make it opaque. Mark where the facial parts are going to be with a slightly darker skin color. Paint the facial parts with brown. Fill the eyes with white. Paint Anna's hair with a light brown and a pale yellow for Elsa. Paint the eyes with pale aqua. Use a dark red for Anna's mouth. Paint the lipstick and eyeshadow with pink. Create shadows in their eyes with aqua. Paint the pupils and eyelines with black. Add sparkles to the eyes to complete. Gently peel off the decal. This decal turned out to be a little bit too big, so I'm going to trim the excess. Apply top coat and place the decal. When the top coat starts drying, tap the decal to stick. Apply top coat to seal the design and add a beautiful shine. And that's it for Elsa and Anna nail art. I hope you liked this design, and if you'd like to watch more awesome nail art tutorials from CutePolish, click the info card button on the top. Thank you for watching!